Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to add a drop shadow to an object in Illustrator. So first of all, select your object, go to Effect, and then under Illustrator Effects you go to Stylize, then Drop Shadow. As you've seen, there is a drop shadow that has been applied to the object, and here you can increase the opacity. As you see, it becomes darker. You can make it lighter by going less opacity. And then on the x-axis here, you can move it in this direction, as you see. And then you can, the y-axis, you can also move the shadow, so up and down. Like this, for example. And then the blur is just how blurry the shadow is going to be. Here you get a really faint shadow. Here you get a sharper shadow. So yeah, that's how you add a drop shadow in Illustrator. If there's any other questions or comment, just type it below and I'll answer it. Thanks.